Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So tractor update, let's have a look. So we are going to move on to the Massey, but we'll just quickly start with the David Brown. Bonnet has been painted. I've still got to put the final decals on the side, which I've got, but she looks so much better sprayed. She'll be going up for sale very soon. I keep saying it, but I just wanted to get her to the sort of condition I want before we sell her, and I'm pretty happy with this. So I'm working on the Massey. Now the Massey, as you know, is full of holes. And here's a great example: the floor, quarter there, etc. So I've been working on filling in some of the holes. If we just pop around the back here, so some of these are going to need, like these are going to need panels putting in, panels are going to need to be put in, which is absolutely fine. But the ones that don't, where it just needs a bit of fibre fill, and then I'm using body filler on top, like here, and also here. So it's coming along quite nicely. Just trying to build up the shape, build up the size of it. So I'll flat that again. As you'll see there, that needs another coat of filler, and then we'll try and get it as smooth as we can. I'm just trying to flat these posts here as well. And I can't show you around the other side at the minute because it's a bit of a pig. This arch is bent over anyway, so I've only just slapped a little bit in there for now. I can't really access it till I pull her out. Here's why. But when I can tidy that up there. We just straighten up this arch anyway, so I'll just leave that for now. And I've been working on panels on the roof. So on the roof, we'll have to stop and hold on. All right, climbing up to the roof. 06 the camera. So I've took this panel off here, and I'll show you that painted in a minute in its first coat. Nice hole in the front of the roof there. That's going to need a panel on it. I've got to take that panel off, get that sanded and painted, and then sand all around the edges and paint that. But I won't do that until we get that panel sorted. There's another little panel over there. She's been taken off and she's got some filler in her. We'll go and have a look at that as well now. So here is the top roof panel. First coat of silver. I would show you, I might be able to put the pictures on of it before, but I have just shown you the other panel on the roof and how bad that is, so you can imagine just how rusty she was. She's looking a lot better now. So she's been sanded, like heavily sanded down to bare metal. Then she's been primered. She didn't need any filler. Primered, about 3 coats of primer, and then flatted. And you've still got a few little, but I'm really not that worried, to be honest. She's on the roof, she looks alright. And then we got this panel here. So this panel here, as you can see, put a bit of filler in there. That's because there's holes, which we'll get to eventually. So I need to take the tape off once she's dry. We'll take the tape off, and then that will need a light sand in there. And then she has been sanded, as you can see there. So she's nearly ready for her first coat of primer, which is good. So there we have it, a little update on the Massey and the David Brown. Things are moving along quite nicely now, getting jobs done while the sun's out. Things are drying quickly, especially when you put a bit of primer or paint on. Weather's good, grass is growing really well. Barley went in, and the field looks green from here. Hold on, can't flip it. From here, it should be, the barley is roughly, where's my finger, man? Right, barley is roughly split in the middle of that field there. If you look, it's just purely green. So the barley's coming along nicely as well, which is good. And my leyland's just sitting there still, needs to go, and I just haven't bothered. Yeah, so there we have it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to start putting a few extra videos out now. Maybe I'll start doing some videos, because most of the work I'm doing now is like the bodywork side of things. Maybe I'll start recording some of that stuff, put the tripod up as well for that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Take care.